Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Nova to BullX New. So first you need to open this site. As you can see, its link is clicktradenova.io. So you need to open that, and here you have to tap on download for Chrome. It will redirect you to a Chrome extension for Nova extension. Also, you can open the same website by searching for Nova extension Chrome. So don't forget to right click. Here you will see the first link, and you can see it's the same link we have opened before. So you can actually click add to Chrome, and if you are on Edge browser you can click on add extension or get extension for Edge browser. Click on add to Chrome here. So after that you need to go back to this Nova website again, then click on connect to Telegram. You need to hit on here, then it will start a Nova bot. You need to click on start. The first thing you need to do is actually click start, but it didn't actually start the first time. So as you see from here, it's not working for me, so I need to enter with the access code or join the queue. But to connect the wallets to BullX New, you need to click on menu. After you are fully registered with the Nova extension, you need to go to wallets from here, and then you will need to get the private key or the private address for your Nova wallet. After you do that, you need to actually go to BullX and search for BullX New. I'll see from here BullX New. Also, you need to connect it to your Telegram. If you didn't connected it before, you need to wait in queue like what happened to me. Then you can just import a wallet, and you can insert the wallet address or the private wallet address with Solana into the BullX New. And that's pretty much it. That's how to connect Nova to BullX New. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.